स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आज हम लोगों के साथ संद्रम फास्टेनर Q3 रिजल्ट रेवेन्यू इज रेज 7% margin flat domestic sale up 18%. Sundram Fasteners reported steady revenue growth in the December quarter with domestic sale outperforming while profit remained flat year on year aimed higher employees benefit provision linked to new labor code. Sundram Fasteners Ltd posted a largely steady performance for the December quarter with net profit inching up 0.2% year on year to 130.5 crore compared with 130.2 crore in the year ago period. Revenue for the quarter rose 6.9% year on year to 1,541 crore, supported by strong growth in domestic sale. EBITDA increased 5.9% to 2,240.5 crore, while operating margin were largely stable at 15.6%, marginally lower than 15.7% a year earlier. Domestic sale for the Qatar jumps 18% year on year to 994.97 crore, aided by resilient demand across segments. Export sales, however, declined to 308.41 crore from 362.79 crore last year, reflecting continued global headwinds. Motilal also projected based on down real estate stock to raise 65% from current level. The company recognized a one-time exceptional surge of 11.02 crore during the quarter toward employees benefit provision following the implementation of the new labor code. For the 9 months ended December 31, 2025, Sundram Fasteners incurred capital expenditure of 217.92 crore, in line with it is the planned investment program for financial year 2026. और अभी हम लोगों से डिस्कस करेंगे ऑल्सो विथ L&T फाइनेंस के बारे में। और L&T Q3 रिजल्ट रेवेन्यू रेस ओवर 10% मार्जिन एक्सपेंड profit hit by the labor code cost. Separately, the board approved the reappointment of Sri Suresh Krishna as non-executive director for a further 5-year term effective July 1, 2026. Subject to shareholder approval, the board also approved the reappointment of Mr. R.T. Krishna as managing director for a 5-year term effective May 3, 2025. Ahead of the earning announcement, share of Sundram Fasteners closed 1.34% higher at 919.50 on the NSE.